What's good, YouTube? Meta Boy Shine. I'm back on the video. Ow! Wet. Man, it feels like it's been a long time since I've talked to you guys. You know, I apologize for that. I'm kind of busy right now. I just got 2 jobs, and you know, I've been playing a lot of this Fortnite. It's been taking up a lot of my time, so I do apologize for that. But I'm still here. I'm not going nowhere. Trust me. But yeah, how you guys been? You guys good? I hope you're good. Update on the camera situation. It is sold. Shout out to my boy Dante. He had purchased the camera, so the camera is no longer available for you guys, but it has been purchased, and I really appreciate my boy Dante. Shout out to you, bro. And so yeah, so this video I am talking about my hair right here. Okay, so I always get questions all the time about how long do I leave my braids in, you know, what hairstyles I do, what type of haircut do I have, stuff like that. Okay, so I have a 10 fade. Okay, I have a 10 fade. I got the sides and the back faded. That's it. Just the sides and the back. Call it a 10 fade. These braids, or any type of braids really, I leave in for at least more than 2.5 weeks. At least more than 2.5 weeks. That is the minimum I give my braids, because when you get beyond that, they start to get really nasty looking. When you put a lot of products in, you get a lot of product buildup. Your scalp gets really itchy, and it's too much, and it gets nasty. So I like to leave it in for about 2.5 weeks, and then depending on how they're looking, I would just go ahead and take them out, honestly, and wash my hair and redo it all over or whatever. But braids are a really good summer style for male and females. It really helps with hair growth. Me personally, I find having braids grows my hair a lot faster than twists do. Nothing wrong with twists, but I just feel like personally my hair works better with braids, so I do a lot of braids. If you go back to some of my older videos, around my freshman year in college, I had braids all the time. Like, I stayed with braids in my hair, and that really helped grow my hair a lot to where it's at now. But I haven't been doing as much braids as I did my freshman year, so that may have a little bit of a factor why my hair hasn't grown so much. And also, I kind of been slacking. I haven't been moisturizing as much as I should have, to be honest with you, and I know it's bad, but I have been picking back up on it. And let me show you guys the products that I use. I start off with the leave-in conditioner. This is by Cantu. It doesn't have to be Cantu, but just some type of leave-in conditioner to help moisturize your hair. Make sure you use this every single day. Like, you guys need moisture in your hair. Think of your hair like a plant, right? And your scalp is a soil, and the plant grows out of the soil, but it needs what? Moisture and water and sunlight. I mean, your hair doesn't have sunlight, but you need sunlight, moisture, and water to help those roots grow. So just think about it like that. Also use this stuff, this olive oil moisturizer. You guys have seen this a lot. I showed it in my couple of videos. In my 11-month box spray video, I've had this stuff. This stuff works great. It smells great. It's a moisturizing growth lotion. I use this all the time. It's about almost gone. I need to get some more. But and then lastly, I use this oil. This is the Main Choice growth oil. Honestly, I don't know about this oil. I don't know if I've been getting growth from it or not, but I mean, I've been using it because it's really kind of the only oil I have. I have coconut oil, but I mean, it's almost gone, so I don't know. I gotta get some more coconut oil. But coconut oil is fire. Make sure your coconut oil is really fire. You can also use apple cider vinegar. Is it oil? I don't know if it's oil. You can use apple cider vinegar. You can use aloe vera oil. I heard that stuff is great. I gotta give me some. What else? It's a bunch of things that you guys can use. It's all over YouTube, all over. But yeah, moisture is definitely key to growing your hair. If you feel like your hair has like stopped growing, or if you find it dry a lot, or it's always breaking, it's always brittle, make sure you start moisturizing it like heavy, like not a bunch of product, but just every day. Like, get into a routine and consistently moisturizing your hair. I put those products in every night, and I just throw my do-rag on, and then I wake up and you know, just repeat the process really. And I know it's a hassle and it can get tedious and some nights you don't feel like doing it, but I mean, that's the part of growing your hair out, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a journey, it's a process. You gotta do things to help nurture, you know, your hair. So yeah, I've had these braids in for I want to say about I don't even know. I want to say like a week and a half, maybe, something like that. I'm kind of getting tired of them. I'm not gonna lie to you. I need a haircut bad, like always. That's not surprising. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, like, the thing with braids and like doing protective styles is you don't have to worry about your hair. You know what I'm saying? You just wake up, put your products in, and go about your day. You don't have to really worry about doing nothing to it, styling it. Oh, I gotta make sure it looks like this for this. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just wake up and go about your day. That's really the thing with protective styles, and it's great for hair growth also. And also, it's summertime and it's hot over here. It gets really hot, so you know, this is just a good way to just help protect your hair from that heat. Also, wearing hats and all that stuff will help protect your hair. But yeah, also I will be doing random polls up in the video right up here. It's one of these size. I'll put some random polls up just for fun, just kind of like random, just whatever. It could be questions about anything. Make sure you guys vote on those polls. Some are gonna be funny, some are gonna be serious, just to help get you guys more involved, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think that is going to be it for this video. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you sticking with me. Hit that thumbs up button down below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. All my social media down in the link below. You already know what to do. And yeah, it's your boy, Meta Boy Shaun. I promise I won't take long to upload another video. I promise. But we out.